Kita mo yung Ray.
Travis, ano yung ginagawa mo?
I-video lang nung trip namin.
Ay!
Ganda eh. Ganda rin. Tignan mo.
Wow!
Ganda.
Travis ba yung doon?
Grabe, ang bumpy naman.
Parang magpaplong.
Bumpy naman.
Parang tinapos. Travis, ano tingin mo?
Pwede dito. Sige, i-video na lang dito. Dito na lang.
Not yet salty heart.
Anong salty heart?
If there's a sweet heart, then it should be a salty heart.
There's not such thing.
Because if it's taste sweet, it can also be salty.
Nah, it's not like that. It's not like it.
How about bitter?
No. If it's bitter, then makulit.
Spicy.
If it's spicy, it loves being makulit.
Is Anika not makulit?
I mean, spicy means your head is... Ay, nakalimutan ko. Heh. Hey, babe! My dear! My dear,